Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, simply press and hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this vibration along with a flash and a pop-up with ability for you to capture a scrollable screenshot, which is grayed out because there's nothing to scroll down on, and also send. Now this kind of little arrow that was pointing out to this will only show up once, and next time you capture a screenshot, as you can see, it just does this and it will disappear after a moment. Once the screenshot disappears, you can find it in your gallery application, and by default you would be located in the Photos tab, which your screenshots will appear in, but it might be way easier to locate your screenshots later on down the line by going into the Albums, Screenshots and Screen Recordings album, and just make sure that you have the Screenshots tab selected, and here you will see strictly screenshots and nothing else. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.